Hello, today I have a Vauxhall Astra 2012 model. I'm going to show you how to do rear driver side coil spring. It's very easy job. First I'm going to jack it up the car as much higher I can. Because I need to work underneath, that's why I'm take it as much higher up this car. Right, it's jack it up as much I can. Right, this is 21 mm 2 bolt, one for the shock absorber and another one for the rear control arm. We need to take off these two bolts. Then after that we need to just loosen that one. No need to take it off full, just loose it for that one. Then after that we can leave it the control arm hanging. Just little bit loose and leave it as it is. I'm going to using bottle jack and give the little bit pressure for the lower arm. Then after that I can easily undone stabilizer control bar bolt and the shock absorber bolt, both 21 mm. Yeah, I'm leave it our side of the way. Then I'm going to remove shock absorber bottom holding bolt. That one also 21 mm bolt. After that I'm going to take off the bottle jack. I'm going to put this bar and little bit push it down, then I can easily take off the broken coil spring like this. See, there is a broken piece inside. I'm going to remove that one. This is the broken coil spring, part of the coil spring. And leave it rubber mount as it is. Now I'm going to push it in new coil spring. Make sure bottom rubber mount and the top mount, put it in. Yeah, it's in now. I'm going to release the, I'm going to take it bottle jack and give the pressure for the bottom to line up the shock absorber bolt hole. Jack it up the bottle jack. If you doesn't have a bottle jack, you can use it trolley jack also well, but I have a bottle jack. It's easy to handling, that's why I using bottle jack. I have to jack it up until lined up the bottom hole. Right, it's lined up now. Need to little bit jack it up Yeah, hopefully it's all right now. Yes, it's okay. I'm going to tighten the ball. Right now I'm going to put it rear control arm back. That one I'm using normal ratchet because not enough space to put it the gun there. Take off the bottle jack now, and this side just tighten up. I'm not take it off that one, then just tighten is 16 mm nut and bolt there. This side have a like a ratchet side have a bolt, spanner side have a nut. Yeah, it's tight now. Yeah, this is the broken coil spring. That's a broken part. Yeah, it's very easy, you can do yourself. Yeah, it's done now. I'm going to lower the jack. Make sure rear left and rear right same height. I'm going to check visually. Yeah, this side okay. I'm going to check the other side now. Yeah, it's visually okay to me. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sonu Motors.